You don't like my opinion, but you have to respect it in much the same way as I respect your opinion, whatever it is. But when it comes to the issue of legal, there are rules to follow. So let me start with what the minority leader said. Malinaw sa rules natin eh. A witness cited in contempt may be ordered by detained in such a place as may be designated by the committee alone or andun yung or with the concurrence of the Senate President by either A, one detention order. So the Senate President has the power to do that.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to interject? And then, of course, it is the pleasure of the Senate President if he wants to answer again. Unang-una, Mr. President, sa rule. Ang sinabi po sa Rule 6, a witness in contempt may be ordered detained in such a place that may be designated by the committee alone. Ibig sabihin po, yung committee lang. Ano yung with? Kasama. With concurrence of the Senate President. Hindi nakalagay or the Senate President. So you ask all the lawyers here, they will tell you, ang ibig sabihin nito, pwedeng kumuha ng concurrence or pwedeng hindi. Yun yung or.
Or. Andun yung or eh. Or. Andun yung or eh.
Hindi po to committee or the Senate President. That's why if you go to the last paragraph, the order may be lifted by the chairman with the concurrence of the Senate President. The Senate President cannot lift